Gusto mo mag-business pero hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula? Marami ang gustong kumita online pero natatakot kasi wala silang experience o hindi alam kung paano. Sa opportunity na ito, hindi mo kailangan ng experience, may step-by-step system na gagabay sa'yo. Available ito sa travel and tour services, e-loading, bills payment, remittance, affiliate marketing, and online business system. Pwede siya part-time or full-time. Pwede kahit nasa bahay ka lang, no quota, no need physical store. Kung interested ka, message mo lang ako ng interested and I will guide you step by step. Once again, this is Christine Alberio from Global Pinoy Travel and Tours.